Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka MLA Jongaseng Congress na Mahendraganj constituency ka Dikkanchi di Shira ka badairu ka kurim jong Dr. Mukul Sangma o Menteri Rangba Barim jong ka jalla ha ka kharwai tere gujemang arjar khat khandai kala pelaj ba ya ka kot bala aikerteng cooking bala Thoh da ka kong Judicia pariat ka badai ka kurim jong u MLA ka Congress na Mausanram constituency uba HM Shangpliang ha ka jingelang ka bala long ha Tripura Castle Shillong. Hagani ka sngi lai don lang ki MLA ka Seng Congress bagan thup yau ba HM Shangpliang ka Miani Shira ka MLA jong ka Ampati constituency ka badairu ka khun jong Dr. Mukul Sangma renggat ki bahiyang asam bar ki nong sha khot sngoba haba ai jing kran hagani ka jingalang uba HM Shangpliang ulai thu ba ka pisa ka bami na ka ba de ya kani ka kot ka ba sanspa tengka ka wei on ai jing rap sha ka kam ba yalap ya ka khtin jong ublei.
The way that we put in all the efforts to help Judy to come out with this book was actually a team effort of the family, and more so the push that Judy gave that this book should come out by this date and we have to launch it by this date. So that made me work like mad. Then we had to work and of course the design, the pictures. You won't believe when this book comes out later, all those books there in that white cover will be for all of you, of course at the cost of 500 rupees, okay? At least that will go so. Well, that 500 is not going to come to Judy, I'm telling you. Even that she has planned. Can I tell that? Okay, I have to take her permission to tell where this money is going. I'm telling you, she's not going to take a single penny out of this book. For all the hard work that she's put in, she's going to give this whole money for a mission work. That is something very good. She said, I'm going to give all this money for a mission work to spread the word of God.
The people of Meghalaya have been gifted with a lot of talent, and many have a gift of cooking. Besides that, we have also been culturally endowed with rich and beautiful cultures, which we endowed with rich and beautiful cuisines, which we cook every day for ourselves. But we often fail to recognize the value of having access to the recipes that our grandparents and parents have used, recipes and foods that people in other parts of the world don't know about. In the midst of the busyness of cooking and eating, we hardly give a second thought to the unique recipes each of our families have. These are recipes that are hardly shared with others and are even in danger of getting lost eventually. But Judy has not kept her talent hidden or neglected, but developed it and shared it with others. By launching this cookbook, Judy is sharing not just a unique cuisine with everyone, but also opening up her world to us by making something that is special and was accessible only to her family and friends, available to everyone. Judy's example is empowering to us. We are all born with gift and talent, which some of us fail to recognize or identify. Some of us, even if we are talented, fail to develop our skills, never sharing them with others, unfortunately allowing that talent to die.